We are Essense and we help organizations design and deliver better services to their customers. This can be in any domain such as e-commerce, energy, government or health services. We help our clients orchestrate their omni-channel customer experience, whether it's B2C or B2B.
We do this by working outside in, putting the customer at the center, shaping a shared ambition as the starting point for alignment across departments.
But before our clients jump into action, we use our scorecard to ensure everyone is aligned on priorities based on business, customer value and society value.
We help teams align and assess feasibility using a blueprint, linking it to their internal operations.
Our designers then make this innovation come to life. This way, teams can work in harmony to design and deliver better services.
That's how we drive customer-centered collaboration to move the world forward, and using Miro as our favorite tool for that.
So check out our templates on Miroverse and reach out if your organization needs help in achieving customer excellence.